It's me, and this is my family. We're gonna do balloon challenge. Who can blow it the fastest? And we have to tie it, but if you can't tie it, we can tell my mom. And we're gonna start now. Ready, set, go. No, can you tie it? And it has to be big, guys. I'll pick the winner later. No, can you help Lucy later? Okay, if you're done, then it's okay. Oh, and yeah, we have to do more. Oh my gosh. We have to go fast too. No, Mary. Oh my gosh. Okay, can you tie it? I don't know how to tie it, that's why. Can you tie it? I'm very fast, guys. If you guys want to do this challenge so bad, it will be so fun. And it'll be like so fast.
Almost done. Almost done.
Tie it! Tie it!
Here!
This one? Oh my god. So where is it? Oh my god. And then you tie this one. John, you can't even do it. Yay!
Too long of cooking about to cry. Cái mặt chưa? Cái mặt tôi bị tâm dần.
Okay, it's almost done. We're gonna wait for my brother, and we're just gonna have some just a party. Party, 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 party. It's like dark. It's just a light.
Give me
See
one.
that?
Give me one.
Oh yeah, it's like a birthday party. We have a slumber. Party,
Give me
party, 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 party. Okay, we're all done. Pizza, pizza. Hello. Yeah, yeah. Good balloon.
Say Mama.
Okay.
Mama is the last one.
Oh my gosh, that was balloon time. Okay, now we're gonna get all of it. Get all of it now. I have to do something. This is a quick video, I think. Everybody get all the balloons. I'll get one. That scared me. Oh my gosh, we need
Lucy, do it.
Good job.
Do it. Come on.
Good job.
No. Come on.
This is so fun. Even scary, like so easy. Oh my god.